Formula Rossa at Ferrari World Abu Dhabi is an Intamin accelerator coaster that opened in November 2010.
It was one of two roller coasters that opened with the park.
The ride begins with a hydraulic launch that goes from 0 to 149 miles per hour in under 5 seconds.
This makes it the world's fastest roller coaster, taking the speed record from King Dakar at Six Flags Great Adventure.
Formula Rossa is 171 feet tall and has a total track length of 6,805 feet.
The layout has multiple high-speed turns and airtime hills.
Riders have to wear goggles to protect their eyes from sand and bugs.
Would you ride Formula Rossa? Leave your thoughts in the comments down below and subscribe for more roller coaster videos.